Hi guys, in this video we'll be talking about how you can launch your own website that can take unlimited storage, where you can back up your files, manage and access your files on any device from anywhere in the world for free. Now, how does it work? So you can also set this up as a SaaS in the sense that people can use it, and it's just like WeTransfer that you can save files. You can complete all your designs, store any files there, unlimited. So you can store any files, see your files anywhere, share your files. So when you store your files, you can also share that file as a link to anybody to also have access to it. So now I'm going to show you, I'll just walk you through how this works, how you can set it up for yourself, for your business, so that you can always keep your files in one place. So now let's get right to it. Now, this is the dashboard. This is the demo dashboard, in case you want to set it up as a subscription where people will be using your website and they'll be paying you monthly to use all of these features that are here. You can see it has over 5,000 files, new folders, new users, and of course the speed. The way you also launch it also matters. So that is why I'm here to put it through and also be able to assist. If you want to set up for your business, send me a DM. My details on the screen, and so I can have it set up for you in 48 hours. So settings is that let's explore the demo. Is settings. There's a plan where you set the plan where people will be using the service. Like I mentioned earlier, you can set the pricing for it here. So users that will be using the platform, roles and pages, etc. Also files and localization. So it's just an easy peasy. And also you can also check the location of where people are coming from. It has that metrics inside, so know where people are coming from. Like I mentioned, it is basically for cloud storage to store your files, whereby you want to back up any files, be it anywhere, so anybody can access it. You can always share the link, more like a WeTransfer. I know you guys know what WeTransfer is. A platform whereby you can put your files there to share, to upload files for anything that's to do with files. Unlimited files, doesn't have a limit. Unlimited. So unlike when you go to platforms like WeTransfer, you tend to, let's say WeTransfer, for example, WeTransfer, you tend to pay every money to use their platform. For example, if you want to send any file, like their files, they'll tell you files are more than 2 GB, you have to pay. You have to pay for it. So, but for this, you are owning this, a one-time payment for a lifetime access. So you are paying once and you own it for life, compared to the price that WeTransfer will give you to upload any file more than 2 gig. But this doesn't have a limit. It's unlimited. Like I mentioned, it's unlimited. There's no switch attached. So now, if you want to set it up for your business, let me know and I'll set it up for you in 48 hours. And contact me via the details you are seeing on the screen, via WhatsApp, via email. I'm always available 247 to revert and to attend to you. See you guys in my next video. Remember, blessed like come your way. Bye.